In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear recently opened media files history in VLC Media Player and how to stop VLC from saving that history again in the future. This is a really useful fix if you want to keep your recent files list clean, protect your privacy, or simply remove clutter from the app. And if you're following along, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open VLC Media Player on your computer. Once VLC is open, look at the top left corner of the window and click Media. This opens the main media menu inside VLC. Now hover over Open Recent Media and you'll see a list of files that were recently opened in the player. At the very bottom of that list, click Clear. This will remove the recently opened media history from VLC's list right away. If you want to make sure VLC doesn't keep saving new recent files in the future, the next step is very important. Go to the top menu again, click Tools, and then select Preferences. If you prefer a shortcut, you can also press Ctrl+P to open Preferences faster. Inside the Preferences window, stay on the Interface tab. Scroll down to the bottom until you find the Privacy and Networking Interaction section. In that area, look for the option that says Save Recently Played Items. Uncheck that box. This tells VLC not to record files you open going forward. After you've changed that setting, click Save, then close VLC completely and restart it so the new preference takes effect. Once VLC opens again, your recent files history should no longer continue building up the same way. Now, if you're using Windows, there's one more place you may want to clear as well. Sometimes, Windows keeps its own jump list history separate from VLC itself. To clear that, open Windows Settings by pressing Windows key and I together. In Settings, go to Personalization, then click Start. Look for the option called Show Recently Opened Items in Start, Jump Lists, and File Explorer. Turn that option off. This helps prevent Windows from showing recent file activity in its own menus and file history areas. So to recap, you first clear VLC's recent media list, then disable saving recently played items in VLC preferences, and finally turn off Windows recent item history if you want a cleaner system-wide result. That gives you the best chance of fully removing recently opened media traces and preventing them from coming back. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.